on 93 South. You pop up over the hill, and this is what you see. I know that truck's in the way, but pretty wild, ain't it? I mean, that is a big dam over there, but that's what you see. I mean, pretty cool. I just wanted to get a shot coming down over the hill. It's a pretty steep hill, but anyway, there you go. We're coming up on the Hoover Dam. Boy, that thing is huge. I mean, you just pop up over top of a hill and there she is, and you just keep on driving to it. Pretty spectacular. It's got mountains all around it. I guess you go through a tunnel to get to it, because here we go, going through the tunnel. Kind of strange, ain't it? Whole lot of road work. But anyway, I guess we'll find out in a bit. Bit of a windy road to get there, but we're doing it. I mean, it's right much of a trip. I got a security check station, so I guess I better cut this camera off so I don't look like an idiot filming on a road like this. You know what I mean? There you go, there's a lake. Yeah, I guess it is a lake. A pretty cool little drive here. Now I'm going to have to say goodbye for a bit. Go through this check station, because I do have a propane tank on the trailer, but anyway, I'll get back with it in a second. Because I got a camper, I got my own little special way that I have to go. But anyway, getting to the checkpoint. Okay, we're going again. We're getting ready to go. All I had to do is open up the trailer, and all you did was peek in it, and that's about it. I mean, not much of a security check, but whatever. Wow, look at a power station. Go across it and go to the Arizona side, and then come back and see everything else. But I want to do this first. Drive across it. I guess people walk across it too. Yeah, that's what they're doing. I don't know about all that. Get back, little man. We'll get to it sooner or later, promise you. Wow. Wow, check that out. That's the interstate the dude told me about. All the bridge you walk across. Pretty wild, huh? Oh, I couldn't imagine how it was built. Wow, look at all the people. A lot of people. A busy place. You'd have no idea that it would be this busy. Really don't. A cop right there, so.
Crosswalk, Dick.
Yeah, Dick. And that's about it. Okay, we're on the Arizona side now, but there's no place for me to park with this camper. I don't know what people do, but this place is huge. I'm in parking lot number 12. And I'm just pulled in front of a couple people, but anyway, you got people walking every place. Pretty wild, huh? Place is huge. I'm in parking lot 14 now, but that'd be the ideal place for me to park, but I don't know how you get in it, but anyway, there you see the sign for Arizona State. I guess I'll go back around and see what if I can figure out where to park this my Scamp. But anyway, and my baby's in the car. They're always looking for me, but anyway, Hoover Dam Neveda on the Arizona side. Picture of the dam from up above. Sometimes being up above you get the best view, but anyway, pretty big, ain't it? From up here. Anyway, that's the Hoover Dam. Now I gotta find me a camp spot for the night. Back in Nevada, by the way, too. Okay, that's the Hoover Dam Neveda. Hope y'all enjoyed the drive through. I mean, it was different. It wasn't exactly what I expected it to be, but it was different. There's no way I was gonna get out because I didn't have any place to put the camper. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm a work in progress. Thank you. Bye.